Titanic was called unsinkable, a floating dream of mankind. Today, we uncover how Titanic sank and how the ocean destroyed a dream. In 1912, Titanic carried hope, luxury, and thousands of lives.
Titanic was the largest moving object ever built by humans.
For many, Titanic was a dream journey across the ocean.
But inside Titanic, class divided lives and destinies.
Titanic depended on power, steel, and human confidence. Multiple iceberg warnings were sent to Titanic. Titanic continued at high speed despite danger. The Atlantic turned silent and deadly around Titanic. Then, Titanic met the iceberg. The iceberg ripped through Titanic's steel below the waterline. Freezing water invaded Titanic, compartment by compartment. Engineers knew Titanic was fatally wounded. The truth was clear. Titanic would sink tonight.
Most people on Titanic had no idea what was coming.
Fear and disbelief slowed Titanic's evacuation. Women and children were sent away from Titanic. Titanic slowly leaned toward its fate. Luxury inside Titanic vanished beneath freezing water. The band played as Titanic slowly died. Fear spread as Titanic sank deeper. Titanic was left alone in the darkness.
The front of Titanic disappeared beneath the ocean.
Titanic rose one final time against the sky. Titanic's steel screamed under unbearable pressure. Titanic broke apart in the frozen night. This was the final moment of Titanic.
Titanic vanished beneath the Atlantic forever.
Freezing water stole lives within minutes. Survivors listened as the cries faded.
Morning revealed what Titanic left behind.
Rescue arrived, but too late for many. Only a few survived Titanic's nightmare.
Over 1,500 lives were lost.
The world woke up to Titanic's loss. Titanic disappeared into legend. Decades later, Titanic was found.
Titanic rests broken and silent. Time slowly destroys Titanic.
These objects once meant everything.
The sea keeps Titanic's secrets.
From glory to silence in hours. Titanic changed maritime safety forever. Titanic is remembered in every name. The ocean never forgets Titanic. Titanic rests, but its story lives. Human pride met nature's power. Titanic taught the world humility.
Some stories never sink.
Titanic lives in human memory.
This was the story of Titanic.
The ocean remained, holding Titanic's memory. Titanic rests here, far from the world.
Time slowly consumes Titanic's steel.
Titanic's journey ended, but its story did not. Titanic became a lesson written in history.
Lives were lost, but never forgotten. Titanic will forever live in human memory.